Millions of years ago, our Earth was a different place entirely from the one we know today. There were no cities or industries, no evidence of human presence, and just vast, untamed wilderness stretching out for miles and miles. The atmosphere was thick and heavy with a dense mist, and the sky at dawn blazed with an array of strange colors that seemed to change with every passing moment. Volcanic eruptions could be heard rumbling across the horizon, constantly shaping and reshaping the landscape with fiery ash and sulfur plumes. The vast oceans covered most of the planet, swarming with an incredible variety of creatures that seemed almost otherworldly. From tiny plankton to massive, armored fish capable of traveling vast distances in search of food. Within the depths of the sea, coral formations began to establish themselves, gradually creating reefs that would eventually become home to countless species of marine life on their journey to new territories. As the shallows began to shift, small, delicate plants began to emerge, growing out of the soft soil and carpeting the ground with their green, fragile leaves. These plants quickly started to create oxygen, which would eventually become vital for the existence of animal life in the area. In the midst of this transformation, an entirely new range of creatures evolved, daring to make their way from the safe haven of the ocean onto the newly formed land for the very first time. The land they found was not only raw and rugged, but also filled with towering ferns, dense, wet swamps, and creatures too enormous to even be imagined by humans, such as insects as long as a human hand, drifting into the sky. Dragonflies with wings as wide as eagles soared above the marshes,